Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is Sunday. It is the last regular season Sunday for the NFL season, and I'm looking forward to that. There are a lot of things going on that could change the destiny of some of the teams. So should be some interesting football games today. Hopefully they go my way. That'd be cool. So if you watched yesterday's video, we ran the tomatoes that we had harvested and ripened out through the food mill outside, got those juiced and ready to make tomato sauce. And today we're going to do the tomato sauce. Doing tomato sauce is a really simple process. It doesn't take a lot of ingredients. The primary thing that you're doing is reducing this juice down to the sauce consistency that you want for your sauce. And you're going to try to knock some of the acidity down and obviously season it to taste. So let me turn around. Let me show you what we got behind us and get started on the making the tomato sauce. In the tomato sauce that I make, there's not a lot of ingredients. So we got the tomato juice that we rendered yesterday through the processor, the food mill. We have that tomato sauce. I'm not exactly sure how much that is. I will do a rough measurement with water after I dump that in. I have half of a white onion diced up. We're going to have some pepper, some salt, a little bit of olive oil, and about 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so we're going to get our fire on. We're going to start it at about a medium heat there right now. I'm on a 4 or 5 on our stove, about a 4 right now. We'll leave that there. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in here. We can go ahead and do that. Tablespoon or two, maybe a couple tablespoons. It doesn't take a lot of olive oil. So there's about that. And then I'll let that start to get warm and get hot before I drop the onions in. Okay, so the oil is getting up to temperature, so we're ready to go in with the onions. Let me get this out of the way here. I need to put this thing over here to put my spatula on. I don't like this. We got a rubber one over here. I don't like that. So, all right. So we'll just get down in here. We'll go in with the onions. Nice little sizzly sound there. That is nice. They smell good already. All right. Turn the fire down just a little bit. And now we're going to add salt to the tomato sauce, but for the onions, I want just a little bit of salt to cook in on those. So we'll just put just a little in there. Turn that back down a little. And just keep the onions moving enough that they don't stick, and they are doing well. Okay, we got the onions where we want them. This is good enough for me. And so you see they're starting to turn brown without really toasting and getting hard. So let's go in with the tomato sauce. And this is kind of tricky to do sometimes without splattering it everywhere. And if you watched me cook stuff, you know what I do. So nice looking juice, right? So let's go in with this. Let's just go in with it. Yep, we got a splatter. I got some on the stove, but that's what I do. So I'm going to set this over there and in the sink, and then I'm going to fill that, rinse that. When I rinse that out, I will measure this stuff here. So we're well on our way to doing the sauce. So I want to show you the thickness and consistency of what we are right now. So let me get a spoon. So this is what the juice is right now. So we got quite a bit more of the tomato pulp in there than last time. This is good. So if you're going to do tomato juice, we would still reduce this down just a little bit and go ahead and add in the seasonings that we wanted in there. as well as the sugar. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to take some salt, add that in. Tomatoes take quite a bit of salt, so I'm going to do that just to start with. And as it reduces down, I'll probably add some more. I'm going to go in with some black pepper. And that is good for now. And then I'm going to do, like I said, I'm going to start with a tablespoon of sugar. Right about in that area right there. That should be enough to knock the acid down. When we get closer to being done, if it's still a little acidic, I may put a pinch of, actually I'll just put a little more sugar back in it. So this is basically it. As far as the preparation, getting everything ready, I know it's going to need some more salt, but that's okay. That is, we're well on our way. Now all we got to do is bring this up to a simmer and then turn it back to a very low simmer and just let it simmer and come stir it every now and then and simmer it until we get it reduced down to where we want it, to the thickness we want. And so if you don't know what reducing it down is you're boiling the water, you're simmering the water content out of here, and so that makes the sauce get thicker. And it's gonna, you'll see that you'll see the starting area where we have here. When it starts going down, you'll see where we started. We'll reduce this probably by about half. So we'll see how that works out. Okay, so I think our sauce is done. We've been going at it for about 3.5 hours, and this is about the viscosity, the thickness that I want. Nice, hearty tomato sauce. So you can see that we reduced that by almost half. So we'll let that cool. It will thicken up a little bit more as it cools off, and then once it's cool, we'll go ahead, we'll take it over and we'll put it in the vacuum pack bags. So coming along. So we got the tomato sauce done, and I'm getting ready to bag it up in vacuum pack bags. So I have a chamber vac, so I can vacuum pack liquids, which is very cool. I invested in that a few years ago. So a can filler. This is jar filler for canning. And I got these really cool bag holders. I got these several years ago. So these arms adjust up and down so they hold your bags. So I can just stick that on there and it'll keep me from getting junk around the top where I'm going to seal. So we got that. I'm gonna make. All right, so we got the tomato sauce vacuum packed. I got it on this tray here, which I will put in the freezer. Makes nice flat packages, easy to store in the freezer, easy to stack. So we started with 12 pounds of tomatoes, just over 12, just right at 12 pounds. We ended up with right at 12 cups of tomato juice, and we reduced that down to about half, 6 cups of sauce. So that'll kind of give us a guideline going forward. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Appreciate you watching. As always, I appreciate you guys coming in. Hit the like button, comment. You can subscribe right up here, over here somewhere. And again, I really appreciate you guys watching my stuff. See you on the next one. See ya.